Hi everybody, this is Pocket Studio. This is my first video on YouTube and I'm going to show you how to do auto likes for Facebook. First, open hubla.me. Click here to generate a token. This is going to show an ad. Skip the ad and copy the token. Paste the token and click submit. You have to do a captcha. Login success. You can choose between auto like, auto comment and fan page liker. I'm going to choose auto like. We are getting an ad again. Skip. Close the pop-ups and custom post ID. This is what I always choose. This is the most safe, the safest. Capture again and insert the custom ID. You can find the custom ID after FBID and copy the numbers. Paste the numbers and click submit. You have to click submit again and it's loading. You may not close the browser because it stops giving the likes. We had 189 likes, and if I refresh now, it's showing up very fast. It may take 1, 2 or maybe 3 minutes, but not longer. You can get up to 350 likes. Refresh again. It's coming up very fast. You can submit in every 15 minutes. If you have a proxy or you can change your IP address, you can do it faster. But normally, wait 15 minutes. Here we go. It's finished. Close. Refresh. It doesn't want to work. No problems, this is the method. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. See ya.